the real estate market crash in 2023, not in Southwest Florida, but we will be heading back to a more balanced market. I know a lot of people are expecting a crash, but let me tell you why that's not gonna happen. There are a lot of big businesses that have been and still are moving to Florida to take advantage of the lower taxes, and they bring job opportunities. We'll also continue to be the #1 state to where people are retiring. Let me break down what we can expect to see in 2023. Let's start with those rising interest rates. They'll be taking most of the heavily financed buyers out of the game until the fourth quarter of 2023. If you want to buy this year, it might be in your best interest to wait until around November, unless you're open to a renovation project, which I'll talk about in a bit. How about demand? Even with these buyers temporarily out of the game, demand will remain strong as many continue to migrate from the Northeast and the Midwest. They're coming down for a better lifestyle and warmer weather, and many are equipped with the cash from their home sale. Pair that demand with a continuous lack of inventory and we'll still technically be in a seller's market. It's gonna be different though. They'll continue to appreciate, but at a much slower rate than what we've seen in the last couple of years, where we've seen 20 to 35% annual appreciation in 2021 and 2022. For the end of 2023, we can expect to see more like 1 to 3% appreciation. Properties will be spending a little longer on the market than in 2022, meaning buyers will have a little more time to decide on a house and how they want to structure their offers. More sellers are going to be cashing out on the equity they've gained in the months ahead and might be needing offers contingent on finding a new home before they sell. What will buyers want in 2023? The listings that will continue to sell quickly and for high prices are those with completed renovations, swimming pools, or in amenity-rich communities. Trends that I'm seeing from real estate investors, they're seeking longer-term rental opportunities versus the traditional quick flip. There will be a lot of quick flip opportunities in the months ahead, and they're a great way to get started in real estate investing, as long as you're resourceful, self-motivated, and it helps to know some contractors. If that sounds like you, then you might want to look into a rehab loan. Be on the lookout for an unrenovated home in a nice neighborhood where motivated sellers in place and might sell at a discount. Take heed if a home that you want to buy is in a flood zone. Get an insurance quote for the property before you get too far into the process, immediately if you can. Also, be familiar with FEMA's 50% rule if you're going to be doing extensive renovations. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any real estate related questions, just let me know. If you need real estate services, I'd love to show you how I work. If you need services outside of Southwest Florida, I will find you an expert in that area. Thanks again. Until next time.